Hello everyone, I'm Artem, CEO of Datamin, and today I'm going to show you how to use our powerful library of workflow templates. So when you create a workflow, you don't need to create it from scratch. You can use our library where we already pre-created for you more than 30 of different templates in different categories, from anti-money laundering to reporting, monitoring, payments use cases, e-commerce use cases, commercial use cases, customer success use cases, and much more. So for example, now on your screen you can see how many different monitoring templates we have. Or for example, detection of various unexpected behavior or inconsistencies with your data. This can also be easily monitored with these templates, which you can also extend by yourself, but we will get to it. So now let's create a simple workflow which just retrieves some data, converts it to CSV, and sends somewhere as a result. Instead of creating a workflow from scratch, now you need to configure each and every block separately. Here you just need to connect to a data source and select data, convert it to CSV, and then just define to which email address you want to send this data. If you want, you can of course do more customization. But what's more interesting, you can save this workflow as a new template to be used by yourself and your colleagues in your organization. So as you can see, it appeared here in the list of your workflows. And next time when you create a workflow, just click on My Templates and your template will be here. So try it out on your own on our website. Datamin has a free trial. Try it out and let us know what you think. And of course, stay tuned for the future video tutorials.